I just carry on with this videos. I just cut them up so that they're not too long, and just to continue the story about the Crown, the Queen, and Chris Finlayson, the Attorney General, and also the Chief Justice of the Supreme Court of New Zealand, Dame Sian Elias. So those three people. And the Governor General, if they appointed, if Sian Elias appointed the new Governor General today, his name is Jerry MATEPARAE Andrews, and if he's made the Governor General, that is forever going to be treason. I just say to you now, quite plainly, they are fraudulent from this day on. This is the worst, blackest day for Maori. I just want to make a point in history, in time, of how the Crown corrupts their system, and they've been doing it for over 200 years now here, to dupe everybody into their banking systems and fraudulent dealings. That's going to come out now. It's going to be rolling out from people all over the world, and they're starting to understand how the system works with the Rothschild dynasty and the 300 royal families in England and the other countries, Ireland, Scotland, and Wales, France being the worst with the HAP, those people in the States, the Catholics, Italians, all you people went from Europe to America to rape the whole land, and Indian people. Took all the things, and then now you spend the money to kill the world, kill the people, poison them, spray the skies just like a cat pissing all over the place, and making it their territory. No? Just what it is. You smell the whole place out, so it's putrid, so no one will go near it, right? Because it's got sparks flying and frequencies flying around everywhere, and tornadoes. You know, man-made like the other day. That's just murder. What happened to the Colorado, all those storms, those are man-made, because MOAI told me so. Okay? He can see what you're doing, you French people, you Catholic pedophiles. I don't mind saying it. I don't mind saying it, because I'm watching it on the videos. I'm watching what you humans do to try to rule the world. The New World Order is this. If this is the way, your God is not the same God as what we've got. Right? MOAI and King Khufu and the pyramid, they built those things with their hands. And now you are fabricating that story around yourselves. The federal bank, federal government and states, you got the obelisk there, stole that. Put that up there, what for? The sun don't go there. No, it goes in the east. All those things were put in the right place under instructions from God and His mana, His law. He said, put them over there. What did you do? Put it over there. Took it away from where it was supposed to be. The Queen did the same thing with my MOAI. Took it off East Island, put the magnetic fields out. When she put it on the boat and took it back to England. Right? That's Queen Victoria, 1868. Took my own personal property, DNA, from God. The face, built for God and for us, because our chiefs made one for each other. Right? And so those are our properties. What the hell is it doing in England when it's supposed to be on a piece of land there? God said put it over there, not over there. So you're thieves. All you people who've got obelisks, you can't prove that it was your idea in the first place. No. You can't say your bloodline is the same colour as me with the black part in it. You came here and sucked your putrid blood in my blood. Right? You mixed it up, and then you're trying to tell us we're the lost tribe of Israel. No. We didn't go there. Okay, you come east, so that's where you get it wrong. Right? I'll just tell the whole world. It's a true story. It's up to you to see who you believe. MOAI, Earth God, right? Earth, everything Earth in it. Earth head, Earth brain, Earth eyes, Earth everything. Right? It sits there for 50,000 years, it'll still be there. Where's the Queen's crown? It'll be probably melted up into pots and pans. That's what will happen. Yeah, won't be around anymore. Won't be no more queens and queens. Yeah. There'll be comets. Comets and yuggies, little yuggies running around. Right? With 4 ears, not 2. Right? 2 for listening and 2 for looking. Right, where are we? Right, the Queen is here with her own company called Buckingham Palace. Right, this is the invader. This is straight invasion. Without knocking the door, our door. So don't come and see us on a marae. I didn't see the Queen come to the marae and sleep there for the night. That's what you think a partner would do in a treaty. You think they'll at least spend 1 night in the marae to experience it. Wouldn't even let us go in a castle. So what's the story with that sort of power? Anyway, getting back to it. Now, this means she broke her connection to God, if there was a God, with her ceding her sovereignty to the European Union Parliament. Okay, and she went in there too. And as soon as she did that, the sovereignty went out of this country. Right? Who knows that? The people over here are so ignorant they don't even know what's going on. Nobody knows. They're all blind as a bat. Don't know. They just carry on going. That's normal. No, it's not normal. We've got our men sitting up there watching all the time. We've got our tupunas here. That's my council. They're around here. Over here. There's a few of them. Right? A few of them looking. My directors. Don't say much. Don't say much. Only whisper. Okay, so we've got the financial interest that the Queen has is what she says belongs to her. It's anything that's stuck on the land, it's crown land, and sold it to her people. Right? And so we'll seize on that. If she's telling lies, we'll seize everything. Right? I'm going to make her talk. There's a ariki here. And there's not only me. There's plenty of other arikis who are just as same as me, to protect our interests. Our interest is the land you're standing on. Right? Their interest is money. Right? They're going to we'll make our own money. We don't need your money, Queen. You can stick your pound note. We're going to make our own money out of water. Right? Well, already set to go. And so, all the buildings and everything here, we will value them up. And that's why I'm sitting here on the waterfront in Auckland. To start on Cook Street with you, Chris Finlayson, you big crook. Right? You're the one, I won't say on this video today, but you're the one instrumental to the fraud with the Robert Andrell. And Robert Andrell is the Surveyor General, Register General, and Robert Miller, he's the Land Register General. Those are 3 of you, and Donald Grant, he's an ex-surveyor from Australia, put all the titles together, survey title, came over here and fabricated that one, okay? Fabricated this one over here and put the old road back into the new title and got rid of the investors. All of you, right? That's that one, that's the land. You've got land issues of interest, and also personal. Personal, the birth certificates, and how you use those as bonds. Where is the document that says I allow you to use my name to go and borrow money? Where is the document? That's what I want to find out. If you can't produce it, I'll sting you right back 62 years exactly at my age, right? To get that money all back. So just take everything to offset the bill, and including over there, where you come from in England. Right? You owe us for stealing and fraudulently taking without disclosing what your intentions was. Right? You got bad intentions, Queen. You coming here, you want to come here and live on this land without asking, and you planted yourself straight into the Supreme Court in Wellington. Right? Didn't even allow Prince William to acknowledge King William with the Confederation flag, right? The flag he gave us, the sovereignty of this country, his flag through the Westminster, right? And the Treaty of Waitangi in 1840 would never have been that document if it wasn't for the 1835. You had no history gone. 1840 had no history. They went only on the 1835. Right. So that's still there. That's still there. You can't prove it. We got the proof. Right? You can't prove it. You've fabricated everything, crowd. You're not going to get away with it. And try and get away and run away. No. You've got 2 years till 2012. Right now till 2012. We'll get you before then. Another 3 months, you'll be out. Right? Get into that when we go to the UN to take up the seat there. We'll be back to clean you up. And all your fraud. We'll start from names, surnames. Bring them out. You first, Chris Finlayson. I'll just say your names. Sure lies. You're the horse scam thief. Right, for the money. And Bill Wilson. You got him off. Paid him $1 million to go and shut his mouth and say nothing and scoot off. And now he's practicing somewhere else. He's a lawyer. Right? With the fraud transactions. We're going to investigate that one too. Right? Everything we'll investigate, everything, just how you did it, so the future generation know how to be a fraud. And teach them how to be a fraud and not to be a fraud. That's England. That stuff comes from Europe. And take it all back to Europe. Well, we don't need that. You spoil our good, pristine country. We bought all that hash stuff here, the booze and everything, to make our people wonky. And look at them now, sucking on the women tulips. Yep. So anyway, that's long enough for the video. Let's have a break.